Hey guys! Welcome to my channel Colorful Medley. So you already know that I'm gonna teach you 9 different short hairstyles. So let's start with it. These are 2 basic rules that you have to keep in mind while making hairstyles. Generally, a person makes 3 types of partitions: middle, left or right. So the hair start from the partition and go outwards. In the middle partition, the strokes from either side of the partition are similar, whereas it's different for the partitions. For partitions, the strokes are different on either side of the line. The strokes are different with respect to the length, the direction, the curve nature, as you can see here on the screen. Next thing that you have to keep in your mind is there are 3 types of strokes: S kind of or the curved ones. There are generally 3 types of hairstyles: curly hair, straight hair and baby hair. With the help of the 3 partitions, 3 strokes and these 3 hairstyles, I'll teach you 9 different short hairstyles.
This is the very first sketch that we will be making. As you can see in the picture, it's a left side partition hairstyle. So we'll make a left side on the head for the reference first. Then we'll make the outer structure of the hairstyle with the free hand. I try to make small lines and then combine them to make a proper one line. The lines that you make in the starting should be very light, so it's easy for you to erase if you need to. Continue to make several lines until and unless you are convinced yourself about this shape. The hairline was not visible in this one, so we'll discuss about it later. Once you have made the outer structure, make the prominent lines visible to you on every part of the section. Make sure to darken the area near the partition line. Again, the lines should be very light. Make the prominent lines with the help of the basic curves that we discussed earlier in the video. Generally, a person should darken the area between the face and the hair. It makes your hair more visible as compared to the face. After that, make the strokes using the basic curves. Initially, the strokes that you make should be light. Afterwards, we will darken them. The strokes should not be continuous. The reason behind that is to show the effect of the shine on the hair. Generally, you must have noticed that the hairs shine a lot. To show the effect of the shine, know the direction of the light. If you're considering that the light is coming from everywhere, then make the middle portion lighter. And the portion near the partition and the ends should be darker. Also, when you complete the strokes in a partition, look at your sketch, observe it, and realize which portions you think you should dark to give an amazing effect. And also analyze to what extent you can darken. Here in this sketch, I've darkened all the portions that either show the curve or is the starting of the portion or it is the end of the portion. You must have noticed that first I completed the strokes of the left area and then I came to the right area. The reason behind it is if you do the right one first, then your hands will get dirty and hence your sketch will become dirty. If you have the habit of rubbing your hand on the sheet, then make sure you do the left portions first. After you think you've completed the sketch, add extra strokes wherever needed to give a proper finishing. Now we are done with this sketch.
If this video helped you guys, please like the video and subscribe to my channel Colorful Medley. Thank you.